Yo, what's up guys? My name's Dylan, I'm one of the organizers here. Welcome to Edmonton Summer Twist 2022.
I thought I had it all figured out. I had to burn some bridges down. Don't want the world to see me now. Another lonely night that I fall inside my head. Then I crawl inside.
We go say it again. Go 4x4 is the goofiest event out of all of the events. Goofy event.
And I'll test my luck on cliche. Look, another sad song, and I got the freeway in my sights. Can I get some leeway, even if I'm dead wrong? I don't wanna say goodbye, but tonight I'm desperate. So how do I learn to love myself if I hate everything?
What are your thoughts on Rubik clock, 12 o'clock?
You know, sometimes you get 12 o'clock averages, and sometimes you're 6 o'clock averages. That's how it goes.
Man, that's deep.
Anything you need to say, Alex?
I feel like cheeseburgers go well with fries.
Son, don't give me questions. I wonder everywhere I go with no direction. Don't see the point, I've been feeling paranoid.
Alex, what are your thoughts on WCA delegates?
All the ones I know are terrible.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm going nowhere fast, like the same old story. Nothing ever new.
Okay, I need you to tell me about your logo printing service.
Okay, so this is my mom's label maker, but I stole it. And yeah, so basically you can print anything as a logo, right? But I use it for amazing things like this.
Oh yeah,
You know, like I have to specify this is in fact a question. This is not a statement. See, it's a very exasperated question. Someone is like, foot liker? It's like that, you know? It's not a statement.